Hi there, I hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily transcribe, how you can easily get the transcripts of specific videos of any channel. Okay, so suppose that if I open this video, see the transcript here. Okay, and if I open this video as well, first let me mute the audio of my system. Okay, so now two videos, and you can see there are transcripts on each of the video. So basically, I need to click on more button, and then if I click on show transcript, then it will show the transcript of that video. Similar for this video. So now you can see this is the transcript of the video, and if I need to manually get this is a long task, and I need to put a lot of efforts to get the transcript of this video. Okay. Similar for this, if I go there and this has long script, and I need to copy each line manually one by one and put it into a text file. But if you can see here, I already scrapped some of the videos transcript and everything is automated. Okay. So if I open this, okay, in File Explorer, you can see all of the videos transcripts are saving one by one. And if I open this, you can see everything is scrapped automatically. There is no need to put anything manually. So this can save a lot of your efforts and time. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get the transcripts of the videos of the specific channel. So suppose that if this is the channel and you want to scrap all of the videos transcripts, you can easily do it. Okay, so now let's do it, and I can show you how it works. Okay, so first of all, you need to just open any channel. I just open this channel. You just need to copy this username. Okay, you just need to put it like this. You just need to put it like this, and you need to run this tool, and you can see it has found 72 videos, and it is processing each video one by one. Okay, it is processing each video one by one, and it is saving the result into this folder that is showing in the transcripts. Okay, so if I open this, you can see everything is automated. All of the files are created automatically, and you can see the timing as well. I'm not doing anything. It's totally automatic, and this is how it works. So if you want this tool, you can obviously message me on my WhatsApp, and I will obviously set up this tool on your own PC, and you can easily use it. My WhatsApp number is showing in the video as well as in the description. You can just message me, and I will set up this video transcription scrapper tool on your own PC, and you can easily get all of the videos transcripts in just one click without doing any manual efforts and time. Okay, so I will wait for your message. You can just message me and let's set up this. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.